So this is how we are drilling the holes in the metal. Flip it and countersink it with a bit Dutch pivot. Step I'm doing not is that we have to put just a straight line of caulking on the frame instead of on the actual piece. If it was on this and we would accidentally drop it, then there's a chance of us getting caulking everywhere. When it's just on the frame, you won't. Right now I have to grind off the edges like there on the metal just so it has a better surface when I'm welding.
We just want to make sure that this fits like that.
tape off the top and put that metal bar on it to clamp it down to make sure this is all set right. So it's just putting that on and then I'm going to clamp it so it makes the entire frame straight. So now I'm just going to screw it into the frame. I'm going to clamp it at the top here first, make sure that's level, screw it in. We're going to screw through the first layer entirely, through the second layer with just the tip of the fiberglass bit, and then I'm going to use these 3/4 inch number 8 pan heads. When screwing together the mold posts, I want to make sure they're level vertically and horizontally, if that makes any sense. In the middle, I usually do 4 altogether. Some people do 3. So I have to do the size of the panel times 2 since there's 2 of them, plus an inch for the middle and like the edges. And then that measurement will be, so I'll do that like measurement and bring it over, and then I'll figure out what half of that measurement is, and that's where I put the mold on. This will be the inside part of the door. So anything on this side will be mold post, and then this is panel. And then once they put the actual frame in, I'll be able to set it. And I'm only going to screw in through this area here, just because I can screw through here all down here if I need to, and no one's ever going to see it. But if I screw through here and it's in the wrong spot and then I have to move it, this spot will still be seen. have to like kind of shove it over and drill into it, or get someone to push it over while I do that.